Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains what the KitchenAid app is and how it's positioned. KitchenAid North America is a smart appliance control app, and according to official App Store listings, it is designed to connect and manage compatible KitchenAid appliances from a mobile device. Based on official descriptions, the app allows users to remotely monitor and control appliances like ovens, cooktops, microwaves, and refrigerators using Wi-Fi connectivity. This video is an informational overview based on publicly available descriptions. It does not guarantee app performance or user satisfaction, which can vary based on individual experience and updates. The app falls under smart home and kitchen appliance tools, and official sources state that users can preheat ovens, adjust temperatures, and manage cooking cycles directly from the app. According to official information, it includes real-time notifications such as alerts when preheating is complete or when cooking finishes. There are also features like saving custom cooking instructions and sending recipes or presets to appliances, which may help automate meal preparation. Official descriptions mention voice control support through platforms like Google Assistant and Alexa, allowing hands-free operation of connected appliances. The app also provides status monitoring, allowing users to check appliance conditions, such as whether a cooktop is still on or a refrigerator door is open. There are additional features like software updates for appliances, which may add new functions or improve performance over time. The platform is designed as a centralized hub, bringing multiple kitchen appliances into one interface for easier control and coordination. Some functionality requires compatible Wi-Fi-enabled KitchenAid appliances and proper setup, which should be considered a limitation. This app may be useful for users who want remote control and monitoring of their kitchen appliances from a single place. For users interested in smart cooking features and automation, this could be an option depending on their setup. Some aspects such as connectivity, compatibility, or feature availability across appliances may vary and should be considered potential limitations. Whether this app is worth using depends on individual needs and preferences. If you found this video helpful, feel free to drop a like. And comment down below if you have any additional information on this app or notice anything missing or outdated.